Your Unit 1 biology exam is in a couple of weeks and you're running out of time. The good news is that you can still secure a decent grade if you follow the system. Start with any summary book and skim through the notes for a couple of days. You don't need to memorize everything, just focus on the key terms. So when they appear in the question, you will immediately recognize them. While reading, focus on the high-yield topics such as protein synthesis and cardiovascular disease. The next stage will take you another couple of days. Solve 5 structured questions on each topic. Do not pick the long 6 marks questions at this moment. We will save this for later. Here's the strategy. We're trying to take a shortcut to allow you to solve full past papers because that's what matters the most. Next, you have 20 past papers. Solve 2019, 2021 papers using open notes and mark each question as you go. For 2022 and 2023 papers, attempt them without notes and mark your answers only at the end of the paper. You'll find it takes you too long to finish, but that's perfectly fine because at this stage, you're only building exam endurance. You'll learn how to pace yourself in the final step as you solve the last set of recent exams as timed mock tests. While solving, aim for at least 60 to 65 out of 80 because this will help you to secure an A in this unit exam. I wish you the very best of luck in your preparation.